Like and subscribe. Free crypto bro.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. What's up my crypto legends? Welcome to another video. In this video I'll be taking another look at the amazing crypto exchange MEXC, and this time I will make my first investment. A big thank you to MEXC for making another amazing giveaway for my community. Right now, MEXC is giving out an exclusive bonus for all of my viewers. Just scan this QR code, sign up now and claim your rewards instantly. Spots are limited, so don't miss out. So as I said guys, in this video I'll be making my first investment on MEXC. So I'm going to buy crypto via fiat. You guys always have the option of depositing crypto directly. I think that by doing that you don't need to do the KYC, but in order to buy crypto through fiat you will need to complete the KYC. Okay, so I have deposited 100 euros. Okay, so I have a balance of 118 USDT. So guys, once more, I am not a financial advisor and this video is not financial advice, okay? If you will be making some investments, my advice is to get Bitcoin, okay guys? Bitcoin is still cheap, super cheap, although it has recovered a little bit lately. So now currently it's at $74,000, okay? So if you want to make some investments, my advice is stack those satoshis, okay? Stack Bitcoin as much as you can. But in this video I'll be making a different kind of investment. So once again guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please invest at your own risk. So the crypto that I had in mind is this Canton Coin. Canton, so you can buy it on MEXC and a lot of other crypto exchanges. So basically guys, here you can see their network, site, white paper, Twitter and so on. So guys, this is a serious crypto, okay? It's not some kind of a meme coin or something. This is a serious crypto that has a serious story behind it, okay? So here on the screen you can see some of the partners that they have. So these are just the ones starting with the letter A. So Bank of America and so on. So here on the Twitter you can see Canton Network, the only public blockchain with privacy that works, powering Wall Street and trillions on-chain. So already they have almost 100,000 followers. And so here I have asked ChatGPT, tell me everything about the Canton Network ecosystem coin. So guys, I'm not going to be like reading this. You can pause the screen and read it for yourself, or always do your own research, okay? But anyways, the reason why I think this is interesting is because some of the biggest financial institutions in the world are involved with this crypto. So you can see like JPMorgan, Goldman, Sachs and so on. Okay, so this is their crypto, real world financial infrastructure, not just speculation. So simple explanation: Ethereum, open internet for finance; Canton, private financial network for banks; Ethereum transparent, Canton selective privacy; Ethereum retail driven, Canton institutional driven. So guys, once more, not financial advice, okay? But I have seen this crypto being mentioned a lot by some other legit crypto people. So yeah guys, the way I'm going to do this investment, I'm just gonna make as I have deposited 100 euros, so I'm gonna put all of that money in this coin and I'm just gonna forget about it for the next 2 or 3 months or even more. So who knows? Once more guys, if you do the same investment and this goes to zero, it's not my fault, okay guys? I'm sorry, you are investing at your own risk, okay? I can be your shoulder to cry on, but other than that, you are on your own, okay guys? So let's do this. I'm gonna buy this. So where do I go? Okay, so first I need to convert all of these euros to USDT. Converted successfully. Okay, so my spot trading balance has been updated successfully. So now at the moment of making this video, this crypto has a 14-cent price, almost 15 cent. So I'm going to go all in. I'm going to just buy as much as I can for these 117.78 USDT. So let's buy this. That's it. Here it is. So my trade has went through successfully. I got this CC coin that's currently worth 117.7 USD. So I have not traded futures, I have just bought this on the spot market, so now it's in my possession. And as I have said, this is the type of investment that I don't personally care, so I will forget about it for the next couple of months. And I would also recommend you guys to also invest at your own risk and never invest more than what you are willing to lose, okay? So please invest responsibly. But that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to join MEXC by using the link in the description below. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.